What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our non-existent YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Today I'm with Damari and her pumpkin. And I'm Natalie and I'm with my pumpkin.
This is Gerald.
And this is Thomas's mom.
We bought YouTuber carving sets because every YouTuber has them. And we're going to be carving these pumpkins and watching it. Oh, I feel so YouTubery. Ooh. So, what are these for? Is this still whole? I think this is right in like.
Woo! Ooh, that's nasty. I regret smoking.
Oh, I did it! Ah!
So this is what we have so far. She's still struggling. I somehow managed to do something. Keep you guys updated. She left her cat outside too? What the hell?
She didn't leave her cat outside. Her cat is inside. Oh, he is outside.
Choose one. I'm gonna do one side a hole and one side a pattern. What are you gonna do? I think I'm just gonna go at it.
Oh, okay. He's right there! Ah! Okay!
That's my time.
Not going so well, guys. God knows what she's doing.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, I thought you were making Pennywise. I'm gonna eat this little piece.
Don't see. Hear that?
So I'm stabbing my pumpkin. She did that. What do you have to say for that?
I am proud of myself for finally achieving something so great.
See, and I did a big hole in the back of mine. I killed it. Cleaning party? Let me go set my pumpkin outside. Because why not? That's my side and this is her side. As you can see, I'm the much neater person. And she's very messy. See you later.
And the nose and the
No, these are the wings. This is the nose. These are the eyes. These are the little eyebrow thingy pops. And this is the.
Oh, I get it. These are the ears. This is the wings, and these are.
Okay, guys. So we finished carving our pumpkins, and if you have seen them, they're pretty fucking cute. But we're gonna be shooting rockets at them.
It's a DIY. Shout out to our math teacher.
Eat these. Put on these.
And then I need a strip on it.
Is to hit that. Well, not really. Just kind of
These
get.
potato cannons on it.
Potato!
Like, ready, set, go. Oh, it was close.
Hey, R.I.P. Pink Rocket. In the arms of the angel. Oh no, we lost it! Did you even try to aim?
I did.
Oh my god!
No, it was really close. So, Jamie's gonna go now. Go.
Do it again?
Yay!
Depression at its best. Well, that was a failure.
Okay.
Since this isn't working out, how about we shoot it up?
Okay. Set, go. What the frick? I don't. Go get another one, the little cricket one.
I made those.
Set, go.
Where'd it go?
It's right there. I never said go.
Relatable.
You got as much use out of this ball as
I haven't tried.
Oh!
Where is it? I didn't see it.
There it is. Go higher than yours.
Yeah. Ours was just like.
It's
concludes this month's video.
This first video.
Our first video. We hope you guys like it very much.
Don't forget to give it a like, a comment,
And subscribe.
and subscribe. And so if you want to see more of her, just comment down below. So stop. This is part of the video. Bye.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.